Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe and you can also follow us on Instagram. So today's video is yet another shopping video. So right now I've come to the KLM shopping mall, which is located in Martha Lee. They do have many branches. So first let's go inside and check out what all they have. So KLM has many branches in Bangalore. So this is the Martha Lee branch. They have other two branches in Jayanagar and HSR layout. So the location to reach KLM shopping mall is Martha Lee Bridge. So once you see Martha Lee Bridge, towards your left you can see a huge building in black color, which is KLM shopping mall. So you can reach here through your own vehicle or else you can book a cab, and I will drop down all the address in the description box. Do check it out. So in the ground floor they have all jewelry. So in the first floor they have an amazing offers going on. So over here they have this beautiful bridal lehenga starting at rupees 2000. So there are some offers going on in KLM, which is buy one get one free. Make sure that you visit the place and check it out. So they have lots of varieties in sarees, starting from silk sarees to heavy sarees to pattu sarees. So they have buy one get one free offer right now going on in KLM. So as you can see, they have displayed all the sarees and everything is on sale. Buy one get one free, and few sarees have 50% off. So they also have an amazing collection in handloom sarees. Do check it out. So now let's go to the second floor and check out what all they have. So in the second floor it is all about women's wear. So you get nice kurtis, skirts, frocks, all western wear, you get it over here. So the offer running in western wear is buy one at MRP and buy two at 555. So it is a great deal. Instead of getting one piece at the MRP, you can take two pieces at 555. So these were the offers in western wear. So coming to the kurtis, they have buy three at 555. So don't worry about the size, they have all the size available here, starting from XS to XXL and XXL. And in kurtis you also get buy one get one free. But coming to the lehengas, they have beautiful collections over here. Do check it out. So in KLM they have beautiful designer blouse. So let's go and check it out what all they have.
ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್
ಇದು 1900 ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ 1460 ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
So honestly to say that the designer blouses were quite expensive.
ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ನೀರು 34 ಸೈಜ್ ಇದೆ.
So in the same floor they also have some wedding sarees, fancy sarees and designer sarees. They do have sale on that, buy one get one free. So on all the fancy sarees they have buy one get one free. So this sale is going on even now. So please go visit the place. And I recommend you all to visit the place on weekdays because this place is quite rushed on weekends. So this is all about women's wear and western wear. So now let's go upstairs and check out what all they have. So third floor is all about menswear, starting from formal to wedding. They have everything over here and everything is of a reasonable price. They have a lot of collections in jeans and ethnic wear. Make sure that you visit the place. So even in men's wear, they have buy one get one free. So they have some offer running over here, which is buy one at MRP and buy two at $7.99 on t-shirts and shirts. So this floor also has kids wear. So right now we are on the kids section. So in kids wear, the starting price is just rupees 299. So KLM is a very huge mall. Make sure that you visit each and every floor, because each and every floor has different offers running over. They also have some shades, jewelry, footwear, all of these they have in KLM. Make sure that you visit each and every floor, keep some patience and then check it out. So that is it. Here ends the video. I hope you all loved this vlog. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any queries regarding the location, you can ping me on Instagram, or else you can drop down a message in the comment section. But most of them don't get the address. Right now I'll be showing you all how to come to KLM. So let's go. So this is the Martali main road. So you have to come towards this road. You will find many stores. So you will find Kalyan Jewels, Max, Sudarshan Silk. So once you get down the Martali bridge, towards your left you will find KLM. And once you get down the Martali bridge, make sure that you come straight, don't take any left, because there are always cops standing there. And if you come straight, you can easily reach KLM, and there's also parking in KLM. So towards the right you can see the big black building, which is the KLM. So in the front, if you can see, there is a skywalk, so you can get down there, and from there it is a walkable distance. You can easily reach here. So here ends the vlog. I hope you all loved it. We'll meet you soon on the next vlog. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.